right, bye, Nanny. Bye.
But I don't look,
yeah. You don't look that old.
Jeez, oh my
I told
goodness.
you,
Look at all my wrinkles. Oh, they didn't show up in the other one. Oh my Lord. Isn't that awful?
Show me, see if I look.
Let's see, maybe I wonder how a facelift would look. You're not really taking this, are you?
No.
No. Show me. I want to see how my face looks.
Oh my Lord.
Stand up so you can see yourself standing up.
Stand, I couldn't stand it. I really couldn't stand that. That's something though, huh? This is a tricky little thing. Now you're taking it. Actually, you little devil. He's taking it.
Walter says
Your picture again too.
Yeah.
She did a good. He did a good job of zooming in on the picture.
Al, how old were you in this picture?
old enough to know better.
No, she was say 16 now because it's going on the camera.
Yeah, what voice is
26.
She was 26.
How old were you?
26.
Were you really?
Where were you going all dressed up?
To get my picture taken.
The figures.
Were you married then?
Well,
God
sort of. If you can call it a marriage.
Where were you living then?
In the house.
In Canton?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where was your mother?
in the house.
Was she living with you?
Yeah.
He's a good MC.
Put on your mother for a change.
So ask her what she had for lunch.
But this was when you were married. I mean, the picture was
Yeah.
taken when you were married.
After I was married.
What was Kelly's first name?
Guy.
What?
Guy.
Guy?
Guy. G-U-Y.
I
Guy.
never knew that. Wasn't he a sailor? What was he?
No. Merchant sailor.
Oh yeah, what's a sailor?
No.
Come on.
Don't call them sailors.
Mm.
Bums.